Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees.
Turn around and bend.
Hello, good day. Today is Monday, and yeah, I was supposed to basically go edit today, but I didn't because my belly was hurting me. Yeah, so that's why I didn't go today, but I'm gonna go tomorrow. And I decided, since I'm gonna go to work tomorrow, I'm gonna video my entire look for the week so you guys can get to see it and all of that, because I haven't been putting out any videos or anything, but since I'm gonna be on the road, I'm gonna basically do some videos of me working for the entire week and my look that I wear for that week and all of that. All right, so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna basically do tomorrow, but this is the starting of the video, and I hope you guys like this video. Remember to give it a big thumbs up when it drops. Comment down below which outfit is your favorite outfit of the week, and yeah, basically that as well. And also to share the videos, because really help me if you guys share the video. I'm on my way to 2k followers or 2k subscribers on YouTube, so please like my videos and also support it. As I said, I have a new project coming out that's going to drop soon, maybe next year or late this year, whatever. But if it drop, remember to support the show as well when it drops. With all that said, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
If you can say baby without showing your teeth, you are a flirt.
So people, we are here and it's day one of me at work editing. So we're about to start editing. We're looking for the shots for us to start work and everything.
The shots we look for cocktail life family.
Where else are you?
We look for the file.
Alright, Dwayne is looking for the file for us to start our work and everything. Yeah, so this is day one of me showing you us doing some work, or me showing you the work process, kinda. Or what I look like when I am out trying to do some work. Anyway, so day one.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much.
So my people, I am not going to work today because my sinus is bothering me and I'm having a bit of runny nose. These are the stuff that I'm taking, and I'm going to relax for the day.
I'm just good at caring too much.
Good morning people. Today's a new day. I feel way better than yesterday. Yesterday I was sneezing and sneezing and sneezing and sneezing. Anyway, after I came from editing, I was kind of sneezing. I'm gonna tell you the story about that while I'm about to get ready to go make my tea. Anyway, So yesterday after I came from editing, my friend he smokes weed, cigarette, whatever he smokes, and what he says that he can't do his work unless he feels relaxed, and smoking make him feel relaxed and less frustrated. Whatever, that's his business. Anyway, so after I came from editing yesterday, no, the day before yesterday, right? My mask smells stink of cigarette. I'm like, oh my god, my for breathing. I know if we wear a mask cause COVID that road. Yeah. And I'm like, why my mask stink of cigarette? In my nose, it felt like it was burning. And I'm like, why? Second and smoke. When it was smoke, I'm nostril feel like it did a smoke, right? So then I come take a match with the bin and everything. Then relax in my house a little bit. Start sneezing. I change my clothes. Wipe off my face or wash my face, whatever. I still feel it smoking, and then my nose starts sneeze right back. Even when I take sinus pills, I sneeze right back to yesterday morning. But I fall asleep a little bit. I love me not sneezing in my sleep. But anyway, then right back to yesterday morning, I was still sneezing. Anyway, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna go because I'm still sneezing, and I don't know, maybe my nose and my nostril want to breeze out. So that's what I did yesterday, and that's why I didn't went to edit yesterday. But one thing I don't understand, people literally smoke so much, like smoke more than you eat. Like what? I can never do addiction or addicted to anything at all because no, waste some money, and I have sinus problem, and it's not good for my health. But people who smoke, my god, you guys are really what, strong or something, because just me being there and this person smoking and it burned my nose so much, and oh my god, no. Oh no. Yeah, so that's what I did yesterday, and that's why I didn't get to show you guys my outfit, but I did show you guys basically me making tea and the pills that I was basically taking. And yeah, and also make a mistake with the cold medicine. I took out the baby cold medicine instead of the adult one. Yeah, so I basically show you guys that in the clip too as well. But mostly I just watched Netflix yesterday. That's all I did. And yeah, you guys will see it before anyway. But yeah, that's it. Anyway, I'm gonna go make my tea now. Good morning, people. I am here today, as I was telling you guys about yesterday. But anyway, I'm here today, and today is day 3 of me editing. Yes, trying to get the work finished up and done, you know. So day 3, people. Anyway, people, it's almost time for me to go home, so I'm getting ready to go soon. Just putting up the final touches on this, what we're doing, editing and all of that. So yeah.
Speeding. Action 3, 2, 1.
Yo, the man a ramp to flat them some guy in the yard.
Like Pinky that do it, so
People
Pinky
is
said
clear
it.
and come every time later, Bobby, about 2 o'clock now.
We can't late if
My end I get a sales to the something.
They can't let it work.
we can't late if at that time when some of that come.
Oh, okay. You said time when you come only 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock.
No, with the angle some stuff. Why Rose have this stuff?
People are him always the angle stuff. Him always a
Always up for angle stuff.
but him always the angle stuff and something. I saw woman here him go early in the morning.
Jesus Christ, woman you so early?
And that's what him always.
Nah, sir. Phone stuff costs money, you know. I don't have phone stuff.
Alright, gentlemen, as I said before, we are now using the time to finish off any assignment that
You see me?
Yeah.
Ooh, I am home now and I'm going to change this dress because it's riding up.
I chosen my favorite auntie.
Remember when I eat ice cream when I go out this night, eat ice cream. When I never take them so used to them more. When it be work. Don't touch it, you don't sit on there. It's on there.
I have to sanitize
Nothing
first.
still.
No, nothing.
It blink 10 times. It's
Like
a
chocolate.
Chocolate.
chocolate. What? Why about my ice cream? What items?
Kind of food like I just by myself. Sitting at the park. I'm gonna tell you guys a story about this girl.
Oh my lord. They don't know Amazon or do that.
So Rochelle carping them apart, going a big. It's the ice cream place in the previous night video. When I play them ice cream establishment.
They never add because they know sanitize at the most sanitize.
Anyway, maybe so they now. And take out card, but also go buy ice cream wrapping. Two ice cream to you know, two ice cream you know. And guess what? The car keep on about decline. For 800 and she said oh for decline for 800. Anyway, so we got the 18. Guess how fancy? Or should have 0 cents. I like shot 20 cents.
Well, no, but I'm shocked. Oh, I end up with that car. No, make fun of me there go because I've been fun of
Let's go to park.
Talk up to all the time.
Up the swing and everything.
How was that, Charlie?
Let's go to the area where up the swing and everything now.
Them lock it down because of Corona.
Come, baby. Hey, baby.
It look closed. It look locked. Anyway, so other happen.
Anna. Ariana. Them a blow go out this now.